I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Kool Zone. Today we are going to do something different. Today we are going to be making ramen noodles, quick and easy. As you can see right here, we have our shrimp waiting for us, ready to go. And this over here, we also have our sausage waiting for us, ready to go. And as you can see over here, we have our eggs boiling, getting ready for us, because we're going to use that for our creation as well. Stay tuned. Here we have our ramen noodles getting ready. We're going to let those babies come to a boil. Awesome. After your eggs finish boiling, just throw them in a bowl so they can cool off. Next, we are going to start on our shrimp. We are going to put our shrimp in right on the edges. I like doing the edges because as soon as you get around, practically almost time to just pop those babies right back around. So it's better to do it this way, at least my point of view. Alright, we're just going to let that sit in there just for a few more minutes, and then we'll turn these babies right over.
Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say. Yeah, I gotta make these choices right. I feel so defeated right now, but I live to fight. I live to fight.
Alright, next we will put in our sausage.
I live to fight another day. Another day. I live to fight another day. Despite the tears and the pain. Despite the tears and the pain. My persistence is what kept me here. Despite fear, resistance, I came up every year. They not prepared for the
Righty, as you can see, we have everything done. Next, we will begin the building process. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we have our ramen all set up. Next, we are going to begin the building process. And let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. Stay tuned.
And I know that the Lord loves me. Yeah, He loves me. Keep me out of that dark place. He put that love in my heart, and I strive to make sure that everything will be okay, even if I fall on my face. Sometimes I fall on my face, but I know how to get back up again. And sometimes I don't know what to say. Sometimes I don't know what to say or do in life. Yeah, I gotta make these choices right. I feel so defeated right now, but I live to fight.
We go, folks. Nice, quick, and easy. And let me tell you, it is going to be amazing. This right here is just a little side dish I put together. Nice and quick little dumplings, chicken dumplings. Oh yeah, and it's going to be amazing. Alright, thank you for watching. Kool Zone out.
Sometimes I don't know what to say or do in life. Yeah, I gotta make these choices right. I feel so defeated right now, but I live to fight. I live to fight.